Nityananda Prabhu had predicted that this chanting and dancing would spread to every town and village of the world. And Prabhupada says that if we are sincerely following the rules and regulations, then our attempt to preach Krishna consciousness will be successful. In other words, the ability to preach Krishna consciousness is dependent upon the purification, and the purification that one realizes is based upon the degree to which he sincerely follows the rules and regulations. Because it was the desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that this Krishna consciousness be established in every town and village of the world. So to realize this goal of spreading Krishna consciousness to every town and village of the world, the devotees have to purify themselves of all material desires.
Hare Krishna, Krishna